So, good day everyone. Now we will learn how to test population proportion of a large sample. So, the following are the steps in testing proportion of large samples. So, the first step is we will hypothesis testing. We will identify what is the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. So, the step 2 is choose a level of significance equal to alpha. So in my step 2, we will solve for p hat. The step 3 is test statistic. We solve for c, and step 4 is we solve for p value, and the step 5 is the decision. We draw the appropriate conclusion based on the p value and the So for the example number 1, a company claims that 60% of customers are satisfied out of 200 randomly selected customers. 1112 said they were satisfied. That's the claim at alpha 0.05. So, sabi ko nga po, yung first step natin is mag-hypothesis testing muna po tayo. Where the null hypothesis is p is equals to 0.60, since our specific value is 60%, the given specific value is 60%, which is will be converted to 0.60. So our alternative hypothesis naman po is p is not equals to 0.60. Since this is not equal, this is a two-tailed test. Okay, our step 2 po is we're going to compute for p hat. P hat is equals to x over n. Well, our p hat po is, our hat po is x, where our x po is 1112 and our n is 200. For our p hat is equals to 0.56. So step 3 po, this is the formula for z. Z is equals to p hat minus p sub o over the square root of p sub o times 1 minus p sub o over n. So, isa-substitute lang po natin, then kukuha na po natin ang value ng z is equals to negative 1.56. So, step 4 po, hahanapin po natin yung p value. Since this is two-tailed test, we will multiply it by 2. So, this is the formula. Pero, ang pinaka-formula po dyan, yung c, hanapin natin yung value ng c, hanapin po natin sa c table. So, yung value po ng z natin is 0.124. Then, we will multiply it by 2. So, our p value is equals to 0.248. So, step 5 po, i-base po natin yung decision natin sa p value and alpha, di ba po? Then, our p value is equals to 0.248 greater than alpha is equal to 0.05. So, we failed to reject the null hypothesis. So, our interpretation is there is not enough evidence to say that satisfaction level changed from 60%. So, others po, yung pinakaiba po ng large sample sa small sample is yung large sample po ay z-test ang tinetest. Well, sa small sample naman po ay binomial. So, example number 2 po, a school claims that at least 75% of students passed the math test. A sample of 150 students showed that 105 passed. Test at alpha is equals to 0.01. So, the first step po ay hanapin po natin yung mag-hypothesis testing po tayo. Since sabi po dito, ang binigay po na specific value 75%, then we will convert it to 0.75. sabi po dito, at least, then we will go into use less than. P less than 0.75 po yung ating alternative hypothesis. So our step 2 po is P hat is equals to x over n. Then substitute lang po yung sample size at saka yung given sample. Ay yung given nakuha sa sample size, which is x. X is equals to 1 to 5 while n is equals to 150. Then our p hat po ay 0.70. Then substitute lang po sa formula ng z test. Then our z po is equals to negative 1.41412. Then kukunin na po natin yung p-value. Since it's a left tail test and one tail test, 1 lang po, 1 times p lang po. Then kukunin na po natin yung value ng z sa z table. Then yung value po ng z natin is equals to 0.0793. 1 times 0.0793 po is equals to 0.079. Then, our step 5 po is p-value 0.248 is greater than 0.05. Greater than 0.05. So, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Our interpretation is there is not enough evidence to say that satisfaction level changed from 60%. So for the example number 2 naman po, ay lumipat pala. Okay, yun nga po. Our step 5 po is, dun po tayo sa step 5 naman. So, our step 5 po is 0.079, which yung alpha po natin ay 0.01, is greater than. So, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. So, our interpretation is there is not enough evidence to say that the true pass rate is below 75. So, example number 2 po, a survey says that 30% of people prepare brand A. A new marketing campaign is launched. A sample of 400 people shows 140 prepare brand A. Test at alpha is equals to 0.05. Then, the first step is we will go into identify the mag-hypothesis testing po tayo. Since ang specific value po natin ay 30%, magiging ang null hypothesis po natin is p is equals to 0.30. Dahil yung 30% po is natin sa 0.30. Then all alternative hypothesis po is p is greater than 0.30. Since sabi po dito, survey says 30% of people prefer brand A. So, the step 2 po is kukunin na po natin yung ating p-hat. Kunin po natin yung ating p-hat. Then, magsasubstitute lang po tayo ng sample size at saka the given nakuha sa sample size. Then, our p-hat po ay 0.35. Then, step 3 po, magsasubstitute po tayo ng value ng z. Then, our z po is 2.18. Sa C-table po, yung 2.18 ay 0.9854. Since this is a right tail area, magiging 1 minus 0.9854. So, our p-value po is 0.0146. So, 0.0146 is less than 0.05. So, we reject the null hypothesis. So, our interpretation po is there is sufficient evidence that more than 30% now prepare brand A. Thank you po.